Hold on a second. Before we dive into whether Raiz is actually in Australia, let's talk about something many of us wrestle with, that nagging feeling that we should be doing more with our money. You know the one. It whispers when you see your friends buying property, or when you scroll past yet another early retirement success story. It's the feeling that your savings account, while safe, isn't exactly setting the world on fire. For years, investing felt like this exclusive club, reserved for those with a finance degree or a six-figure sum to throw around. It was intimidating, complex, and frankly, a bit boring for the average person. We were told to invest for the long term, but the how-to was often shrouded in jargon and inaccessible platforms. Many of us just gave up, opting for the familiar comfort of a low-interest savings account, or maybe dipping a toe into something simple like a fixed deposit. But then, a shift started happening. Technology began democratizing things that were once only for the elite. We saw it with ride-sharing, with direct-to-consumer brands, and eventually, with finance. Suddenly, terms like micro-investing started popping up. The idea was simple: make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of how much money they had or how much financial knowledge they possessed. It was about taking those small, seemingly insignificant amounts, the change from your coffee, the leftover from your grocery budget, and putting them to work. The promise was alluring: turn spare change into real growth, effortlessly. This concept resonated with millions, especially those who felt priced out of traditional investing. It offered a low-barrier entry point, a way to dip your toes into the market without feeling like you were risking your entire life savings. It offered a sense of control, a feeling that you were finally taking charge of your financial future, one small step at a time. It promised simplicity, automation, and most importantly, the chance to finally see your money doing more than just sitting there. And that, my friends, brings us to Raiz. Because if you're in Australia and you've been hearing about this wave of micro-investing, if you've been wondering if there's an easy, intuitive way to start growing your wealth without needing to be a financial wizard, then Raiz is probably a name that's crossed your path. So, is Raiz in Australia? Yes, Raiz is absolutely in Australia. In fact, Raiz Invest Australia is a well-established and prominent micro-investing platform here. It was formerly known as Acorns Grow Australia before rebranding to Raiz in 2018. They were one of the pioneers in bringing the micro-investing model to the Australian market, allowing individuals to invest small amounts of money regularly, often by rounding up their everyday purchases. The platform offers a range of diversified portfolios, catering to different risk appetites, from conservative to aggressive. They make it incredibly simple to set up recurring investments, and their roundup feature automatically invests your spare change from linked debit or credit card transactions. This set-it-and-forget-it approach has made it incredibly popular for those looking to build an investment habit without constantly thinking about it. Beyond just micro-investing, Raiz has also expanded its offerings to include things like Raiz Rewards, where you can earn investment contributions by shopping with partner brands, and superannuation options, making it a more comprehensive financial tool for many Australians. They are regulated by ASIC, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, providing a layer of security and trust for their users. So, for anyone in Australia wondering if there's a straightforward and accessible way to start investing, Raiz is not only here, but it's been a significant player in democratizing investment for thousands of Australians, helping them turn small, consistent efforts into potentially meaningful financial growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.